Hi, I'm Alice with Shine Out Quilts, home of the 5-pointed star-shaped quilts. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to cut triangle shapes that are smaller than the full-size Shine Out ruler. Previously I demonstrated how to cut triangles that are the full size of the ruler, so if you haven't watched that video, please do, as you'll learn the important basics of using this tool. For today's demonstration, I've pieced together a strip set that's sized for cutting 9-inch triangles. I'm going to begin by cutting A triangles, so I'll be wanting edge A of my ruler to be facing the bottom and the top of my strip set edges. Beginning with edge A towards me, I'm going to place the point of my ruler onto my strip set. When I refer to the point of a triangle, I'm referring to this section, and I refer to this as the base of the triangle. So the point is on my fabric so that I can mark the center of a 9-inch triangle, which would be 4.5 inches, and should lie in the middle of my center pink strip. As always, I'm going to make sure that my lines of the ruler are running parallel to the seams of my strip set, and that the position of the ruler markings is in the same location on the bottom half of the strip set as the top half of the strip set. Once my position is established, I'm going to apply pressure along the cutting edge C and use my rotary cutter to cut edge C. Next, I'm going to carefully turn my mat so that I can cut along edge B, making sure that my ruler position has not shifted. For my final cut, I'm going to move the base of the triangle onto the fabric and align edge C with my previously cut edge, making sure that the point lies right along the 9-inch ruler marking. Sure I have this fabric positioned on edge C and the fabric along the 9-inch mark. I'm going to use my rotary cutter to make my final base cut, and I have my first A triangle. Now, rotating the ruler 180 degrees so that edge A is now at this edge of my strip set, I'm going to place the point of my ruler and again align edge C with the previous cut. I'm going to make sure that the 4.5-inch mark is in the center of my pink strip, and I'm going to position the ruler so that the lines are parallel to the seams and so that the markings on the bottom half of the strip set are in the same location as the top half of the strip set. Again, make sure edge C is completely level. Then I'm going to flip my mat, and fortunately I shifted my triangle, so I need to reposition that. And then I'm going to make my cut along this edge of the triangle. And for my last cut, move the base along edge A onto my fabric with with edge C aligned with the cut I just made, and the point of the triangle aligned with the 9-inch ruler mark, and then I will make my final base cut. I'm going to repeat the same process for making B triangles with my strip set on my cutting mat. Now I'm going to turn my ruler so that edge B is towards the top and the bottom of my strip set, moving the base of B so that it is off my strip set, so that the point is on my strip set. I can measure 4.5 inches in the center of my pink strip. Make sure that my ruler markings are parallel to my seams and that the seam allowances rest in the same position at the top and bottom of my triangle. Again, I'm going to carefully cut along edge C, repositioning my hands as I go. I'm going to twist my mat. Make sure that my ruler is in the correct position. With edge C under the cut fabric, I'm going to cut along my side. And now I'm going to move the base of the triangle onto the fabric so that edge C aligns with my cut edge C, and the point of the triangle rests at the 9-inch mark, all the way along that line. Ensure that my center and seam lines are parallel to the ruler markings. And then cut my B triangle, repeating the process by flipping the triangle 188 degrees, aligning edge C to my cut edge. The base of B will be off of my fabric so that the point rests on the fabric. And I can measure again the 4.5-inch mark and position that in the center of my center strip, verifying that my lines are parallel to my seams and the ruler marks are in the same position on the bottom and top seams. In this case, I'm going to retrim edge C so that my lines lie parallel. Right along there. And I will twist my mat. Making my other cut, and for my final cut, moving the base of B onto my fabric so that C ruler edge rests along my previous cut. The point of the triangle rests at the 9-inch ruler marking. And make my final cut. I hope that you found this tip helpful for cutting smaller triangles. If you would like other ideas, visit my website www.shineoutquilting.com.